boy, I mean, that can really run the gamut. Divorce after 50, I think there was an article that came out in Time magazine not too long ago that was talking about, the divorce numbers actually shrinking with the exception of what they're kind of calling silver divorces. And that's those of us that are over 50, and I include myself in that because I'm turning 50 here. So there are a whole lot of different things that can come about with that. I mean, you have, in every divorce, you've got kid issues if they're kids, and then you've got the division of the marital estate. So the issues that you tend to see in older divorces is that there are a whole lot more assets. So that can be much more complicated. You can also have situations where, let's say that you've had someone that has been a stay-at-home spouse. So, so let's say, Monica has this fantastic job with Google, and she's making money, faster than they can print it. And so her husband, Bill, has been, a stay-at-home husband, or has been a stay-at-home husband, and has been the one that has primarily been raising the kids. Well, 20 years into it, and they've got kids that are, 12, 13, and 8. 20 years into it, Monica has just gotten tired of you and has said, Bill, damn it, all you do is sit around and eat bonbons all day long. You're getting kind of chunky, and I need to find somebody else. I'm done with this. Well, so what do? Well, you need to make sure that you are taken care of. So y'all might have a whole mess of assets that are subject to division by the court, but are they liquid? And if they're not liquid, are they retirement benefits that you're going to be penalized if you actually have to get money out of? So, what situation are we talking about? Well, are you having to pull stuff out of an IRA? Are you having to pull stuff out of a 401k? Are you looking at the exercise of stock grants or stock options that are going to incur taxes? There are a whole lot of different situations there, and that's where you want to start looking at the issue of spousal maintenance, or you want to look at the issue of alimony. And we talked a little bit about that earlier, and remember, there are advantages on either side. One of the huge advantages of alimony is you can set that up to go for a lot longer than typically spousal maintenance would. Also, if you're the one paying for alimony, it's a tax benefit to you. So, if you're looking for an adjustment to your adjusted gross income in having to pay for your soon-to-be ex-spouse, that's enticing. For the person who's receiving it, you can also sometimes get the other person to pay a higher amount than they would in spousal maintenance, which, hey, you're willing to pay taxes on a higher amount. That makes sense, okay? So there's just a whole lot of different things that come into play. Typically what that's going to be, though, is going to be related to all the different kind of assets that are going to have been accumulated over a much longer life period. Typically, you got people that are 58 and getting divorced, they're going to have more to divide than people that are 28. So those are the types of things that you typically see.